$38 trillion. A number so massive that if you started counting right now, you'd still be counting long after your great-great-grandchildren were born. And today, we're asking one bold question. Can Trump's new funding bill actually shrink this monstrous debt? Stay with me, because the truth is more dramatic than you think. America's national debt isn't just a number. It's a shadow looming over our economy, our future, and every taxpayer. And now, with Donald Trump returning to the political spotlight, his latest funding bill is making headlines. Supporters say it's the masterstroke America needs. Critics call it a fantasy. But what's the real story? Let's break it down. Step by step, picture a mountain, the tallest on Earth. Now multiply that mountain by 10. That's America's debt. Every second, interest piles up. Every minute, the number grows. Every year, trillions are borrowed to keep the system running. So when Trump announces a funding bill promising change, the world pays attention. But can one bill even make a dent in a $38 trillion problem? So what is this bill all about? It focuses on cutting certain taxes, boosting business investment, increasing spending in defense and border security, restructuring some federal programs, and promoting economic growth as the key to balancing the books. Supporters argue, if the economy grows faster, the debt will shrink naturally. Sounds powerful, but reality is rarely that simple. Debt is like a wildfire. You can slow it down, but stopping it requires enormous force. For the U.S. to reduce its debt, 3 things must happen. The government must spend less. The government must earn more. The economy must grow steadily for years. Trump's bill tries to push the growth button hard, but growth is unpredictable and often slower than projected. Even if the bill boosts the economy, even if it reduces wasteful spending, even if tax cuts supercharge investment, America's debt machine doesn't stop. Why? Because the biggest portions of federal spending, Social Security, Medicare, defense, and interest payments, keep rising automatically. It's like trying to drain a giant lake with a single bucket. Trump's bill may help slow the water, but does it stop the flood? Now here's the twist. Trump's bill could reduce the growth of the debt, not eliminate it, but slow it. If the economy booms, tax revenue increases. If spending is efficiently managed, deficits shrink. If political pressure forces tougher financial discipline, then yes, the bill could push America in the right direction, but reducing the total debt? That would require something far bigger, far deeper, and far more long-term. To truly bring down a $38 trillion debt, America would need multiple years of budget surpluses, major reforms to big spending programs, higher revenues or new income sources, a strong economy consistently for a decade or more. One bill, any bill, can't do all that alone. It's not a magic wand. It's a starting point. So, can Trump's funding bill reduce America's $38 trillion debt? It can help slow the rise. It can shift direction. It can spark change. But can it erase the debt? Not alone. Not quickly. Not without massive structural changes and years of political will. This bill isn't the ending. It's the first chapter in a very long story.